Welcome back to Sister's Kitchen, and today we're gonna make red peas, rice and peas. Guys, I have my dry peas in this. I'm gonna wash it and put it on to cook, and whenever it cook I will start the rice and peas. Okay guys, so stay tuned until I wash my peas. I'm gonna measure 2 cups. Okay, so I'm cooking 2 cups of peas. I'm gonna wash it. Okay guys, I'm adding my peas, my dry peas to the pot. I'm gonna cook it as slow as ever. So whenever it's finished cooking, I'm gonna grate on my coconut and everything, because I'm doing everything from scratch today guys. So now you're gonna see how I make my rice and peas from scratch. No canned coconut milk today. I'm gonna put the real coconut, I'm gonna grate it and juice it out and make my rice and peas. Okay guys, so stay tuned. See you in a bit when my peas is finished cooking. Hey guys, my peas is finished cooking. They are not too soft and not too hard. Al dente. So I'm gonna do my coconut now. I'm gonna set it aside and I'm gonna break my coconut. Coconut is here. I'm gonna break it and I'm gonna grate it guys. My grater is here ready. So I'm gonna go knock it out. Okay guys, so I finished digging out my coconut and I washed them. So I'm gonna start gratering right now guys. So I should take this. Okay guys, so my coconut is almost finished. I'm gonna juice it out. I'm gonna squeeze out the juice and get right back to you guys. This is my, and I'm gonna juice the milk out. Okay guys, so I'm using some warm water because it's so cold here right now to squeeze the juice from the coconut. So I'm gonna do it twice. Okay guys, I'm making a second squeeze. Trying to get out all the juice out of the coconut. Guys, you don't have to do what I just did. I just choose to do it this way. You can use coconut milk. You can buy the one in the can. And 1 can cook like 2 pounds of rice. I just choose to do it this way. This is how I grew up doing it. On Sunday daytime I have to grate a coconut to make rice and peas. And when we used to finish, we used to use the trash to feed the chickens. We used to give the chickens the trash, or the laying hens outside. Okay guys, I'm finished doing my coconut milk. So that's my coconut milk, guys. And I'm gonna get everything ready now to cook my rice. So I have my rice over here now. I have my coconut milk here. My rice is here and my seasoning here. So I'm gonna cut up my onion and my stuff now and get right back to you. Okay guys, so I'm gonna start adding my coconut milk first in my rice and my peas. I'm not gonna use everything. So I just have 4 cups of rice. I'm gonna add my onion and my green scallion. One green pepper and my thyme. I'm gonna break it. And I'm gonna add a few pimento seeds. That's allspice. And I'm gonna add a piece of scallion. The way my grandma used to do it. My great grandma. And guys, I'm gonna add a tip of salt, not much. Maybe a half a teaspoon. Not much, just a dash of salt. I will taste it when it start boiling and see if it needs no adjustment. Okay guys, so stay tuned, I'll be right back. Okay guys, so my pot is boiling. I'm gonna add my rice. It's looking good. I washed my rice already guys, so I'm gonna add it to the pot. Okay guys, so I'm putting my rice in my pot. I'm gonna stir it up and see that everything is okay. A lot of peas in there. I like it like that. Wow, looking good. Looking very good. So, okay guys, I'm gonna add a little butter inside my rice. Whatever you have, margarine or butter, you can add it also. Maybe a teaspoon of butter, and I'm gonna cover it and let it cook now guys. I'll come back right back to you guys. Okay guys, so I'm making a check on the rice. Okay, see right now. Okay, just check if it's sticking. No, it's not sticking. Some 10 minutes. So guys, I'm just gonna cover it and let it stay there and steam now. Just go down a little more, because I don't want it to burn in the bottom. So guys, stay tuned. I hope the next time when I open the pot is finished. Okay guys? Okay guys, so our rice is finished cooking. Very nice. Red peas, rice and peas. Guys, you can eat this with anything. You can have stew chicken, curry chicken, fish, steamed fish, whatever you want to eat it with. You can have breadfruit, boiled banana. You can eat it with anything. On the side, you have a cup of rice on the side, and it's good. So guys, remember to like, share, comment and subscribe please. And guys, tell me where you're watching from so I can shout you out in the next video. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video. God bless you.